Hey, here's a video explaining the JVF Ergo Handle from Kiko. What this handle does is take the A1 handle on your A1 ratcheting handle tools, take it off and replace it with this. And what this allows you to do is have an ergonomic push. So if you have wrist issues or you have tendonitis, arthritis, any of those kinds of things, this removes, instead of tweaking with your wrist to push dents, you now can use your entire arm. So with these, if you see these little finger grooves here that fit in there perfectly, and then this nice pocket for your forearm, come in here and that allows you to push. So let me show you here on the store. So what you do is you take this, put it down the door here, okay? And now instead of having to using my wrist for any type of movement, I'm gonna just use my arm. So I put it right here, and then look, all I do is just move my arm. Find my dent, and I fix it. That's it. There's no move in my wrist at all. It's completely stationary. And I'm using this motion right here to repair the dent. Okay? So, if you care about the longevity of your career as a dent technician, or if you do have tendonitis, arthritis, any of those things, and you're getting some fatigue in your wrist, this is a solution for you. Check it out, the JVF from Kiko. One last thing, actually, forgot to mention to you, it adjusts. So you can adjust the handle, pull down, go. Also, you'll see this nifty little thing here. So if you're pushing, and actually if your elbow's up this way, well, guess what? You just loosen this, a couple turns, you go up, you tighten that down, and now it's at that angle, and you can put it like that. So adjustable angle here and adjustable angle there, just so you know.